guys, welcome back to Awesome Boss. Today guys, I'll be doing how fast I can solve a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. So I am taking up my expected time talking, but I will not be talking after it hits 15 seconds on this video mark. Also, shout out to my friends at my old school. Hope you guys are having fun. I am enjoying my new school. And yeah, so that's mainly the people who watch my videos once in a while. I hope you guys see this. And yeah, I miss you guys a little, but I'm having fun at my academy. Hopefully guys, you could join. There is a registration. Just go online or call my school. That you guys know, who knows me in real life, knows what it is. I cannot say it. It's private. Also guys, if you want, you guys can put a timer on how long this video took from the time I started moving. So guys, there is how you solve a, that's how I solved my 3x3 Rubik's Cube. If you guys want to learn how to solve it that quick and keep memorizing it, look up Nora Richardson, and his video will have a 3x3 Rubik's Cube with a white keyboard in the background. Peace out, bossers, and good night.